this video, we will be talking about external and internal factors of the disease in the body. Our body gets diseased due to many factors. The factors can be internal or can be external. Suppose external factors are like the pollution around you, your breathing habits, your eating habits, if you are doing regular exercise or not, your water intake habits, or if you get sudden accident, or you get exposed to some gases, or you get exposed to poison, that is also external factor. Your malnutrition, toxins, pollutions, germs, these are the germs, the viral infections, the attack of the virus on the body, these are all external factors. And the internal factors are your own emotions, your own your own worries, emotions, your chakras malfunctioning, your anger, your frustration, or your harboring of the negative emotions, your suppressed emotions, or your blockage in your meridians, in your nadi, blockage of the bioplasmic channels, blockage of the energy channels, or malfunction of the chakras, either congestion, depletion of the chakras, or there is problem in your aura, there is holes in the outer aura, or your health aura is drooping, or your health rays are not perpendicular, they are not your health rays are entangled. So this can be internal factors. So disease can come to your body by these internal factors also, or by the external factors also. For example, suppose if somebody is having the habit of taking a lot of worry and stress, so this can cause this is the internal factor. This can manifest as a disease in many ways. Like people who take much stress, they can develop nearsightedness, they can also develop glaucoma. Kindly note, not all the glaucoma are of this nature, of only stress nature. There can be other factors also. And suppose somebody who is always angry, who is always in frustration, mad, so these people, they can cause depletion or either congestion in their solar plexus chakra. They can cause these internal factors can cause problem in their heart also. So they can have the trouble of in long term, they can get the problem of heart enlargement or heart attacks, or weakening of the heart, or the solar plexus chakra can be, their liver can be affected, their whole digestive system can be affected. And suppose they are now the thing is, suppose their bioplasmic body, their chakras, they are not strong, their energy body is not strong. So if the energy body is not strong, then what can happen? Then the external factors, they can affect your body more. Suppose somebody is having very healthy bioplasmic body, somebody is having very healthy healthy health aura, healthy chakras, all the prana is moving very freely, energy is good, right? So that time, suppose that person gets affected by a virus, right? Suppose somebody is getting affected, somebody who's having good energy body, good energy condition, so that person get affected by coronavirus. So the person's body can resist it, can fight it, and the person will survive, will easily overcome this, right? So but suppose some person is having already having his energy body very much depleted, his chakras are already malfunctioning, his aura is already in leakage, right, not in good condition. So that time, if the person gets affected by some external factor, by some virus, so the body might not respond in a very healthy manner, and the person can get really ill, really serious. For example, suppose somebody is already having the habit of anger, madness, so the liver might be already affected, and suppose that person gets some virus from outside, that person can easily get hepatitis or some trouble like this. So for example, there is one more example. Suppose somebody is having very good bioplasmic body, very healthy energy body, but here the example is that person consumes poison, right? So even if the person is having very healthy energy body, but when he consumes poison, the prana of the body consumes at the very great rate, right? So that person can die even after having the healthy energy body, because when the person is consuming the poison, so the physical body is affected very much, right? This is the external factor. The poison is an external factor, and this is affecting the physical body very much. But when physical body is affected, your energy body is also affected. So when your physical body start affecting, the energy body is also starting to get affected. So the prana, the energy will be consumed at the very high rate. The prana is consuming at the very high rate, and suppose the prana finishes, like so the vital energy, if it finishes, the person will die that time. So the disease comes from these both the factors, internal and the external factors. So we need to, while doing the pranic healing, we need to keep in the mind all the factors. Thank you.